Get him, Lou. Get him, Lou. Man versus dog versus lizard. Oh, you're being mean to him. He's gonna bite you. Get him, Lou. Get him. Oh my God, he's gonna bite her nose. Look at him. Get him, Lou. Oh, she bit him.
Did she eat him?
No. Oh, he's hissing. Be careful, Lulu. Get him, Lou. Get him, Lou. Get him out of here. Get him out of here, Lou. Lulu, get him. Get him, Lulu. Lucy, get him. She's like, ow, Mommy, my nose. He bit me. Get him, Lulu. Oh, I think we're done. I think the dog has realized that the lizard wins. That's one ballsy little freaking... Look, he doesn't even move. He's like the man. Weird little lizard.